bagcine bevele ngokusemthethweni enkantolo yemantshi eThekwini. Abasolwa bebebhekwe ngabomvu eceleni lokubulawa komculi wakuleli uKenan Forbes known as aka kanye nomngane wakhe. Sokhumbula ukuthi lo mculi wadutyulwa wabulawa ngomhla ka-10 February 2023 ngonyaka ophelile, ngalesikhathi behlaselwa kanye nomngane wakhe. Kanti leli cala belilokhu liqhubeka nokubekade kwavela ubufakazi obusha obuqinisekisayo ukuthi abasolwa ababalelwa kwayisikhombisa sebetholakele abathintekayo ecaleni lokufa kwalo mculi noma ecaleni lokubulawa kwalo mculi. Labasolwa bekubhekwe ngabomvu ukuthi babonakale njengoba bekwazeka ukuthi namhlanje kulindeleke ukuthi bavele enkantolo enkulu yaseThekwini kuzobingelela imantshi, kanti babese bebekwa amacala ngokusemthethweni baphinde baziswa ukuthi usuku lwabo lokuthi bafake izicelo zebheli lunini. Kanti leli cala bekuhambele ngisho ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa umnumzane uBhekicele, uyiseka aka kanye nabanye abaningi abayizicukuthwane. Mbukela isitethi uhle TV nanka amavidiyo esichaphelelwana ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Ungakhohlwa ukuncofoza subscribe button ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke ezingenayo.
In case you're wondering why we've been speaking about 7 suspects in total, but only seeing 5 suspects on our television screens right now, and that's because 2 are apprehended in Eswatini. The 5 you're looking at right now are the ones that are appearing this morning out in KwaZulu-Natal, and of course that makes a total of 7 suspects in total. Now, of course, we did hear that media briefing by Police Minister KZN Police Commissioner just quite recently this week about the events that led to the arrests of all the suspects. Of course, 2 currently being detained out in KwaZulu-Natal. They had, of course, been extensively investigating this case with the help of a captured CCTV footage, which has circulated equally widely on social media. But you could see on close range that shooter aiming at AKA, but also equally so shooting at Debello Motswane, who equally lost his life. We understand that the suspects all played different roles in this particular case, in this operation. There was a coordinator, basically the mastermind of all that has taken place with regards to AKA being fatally shot. He's also in custody, we understand, but we also are known and told of 2 shooters and 2 spotters. One of them who was actually inside the restaurant, that Wish restaurant out on Florida Road in Durban, observing and watching Kenan Forbes and his friends. If you follow AKA as well, you would have known that at that time he was also on social media documenting his time inside the restaurant with his friends. It seems at that particular time or so, the spotters were equally there with AKA and his friends watching over them. But also there was the organizer of the firearm and vehicles, because that vehicle that we saw also was used as a getaway, and the firearms were used all to shoot, and they were all hired according to KZN Provincial Commissioner.